Heronhill are pleased to offer the JCC Cellar Cooler from J&D Hall. J&D Hall provide a complete range of reliable and energy-efficient coolers for beer and wine cellars. The cellar coolers are fitted with electronic controllers that operate down to 4 degrees centigrade, making the units suitable for expanding the life of perishable goods like fruit, flowers, cheese and vegetables. The units can be wall or ceiling mounted without the need for additional brackets. The indoor unit is manufactured in powder-coated mild steel for ease of cleaning, and the coils are manufactured to 6 fins per inch brewery specification. The outdoor units boast low noise levels required in residential areas, and the system runs an R410A refrigerant and comes pre-charged for pipe runs of up to 7.5 metres. For further information, please visit www.heronhill.co.uk.